Hello and welcome to our new video. Let's understand the power of SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is the key to getting your Shopify store noticed by potential customers. By implementing the right strategies, you can increase your website's visibility in search engine results, driving organic traffic and ultimately boosting your sales. The link to Shopify is in the description. The first step in optimizing your Shopify store is conducting thorough keyword research. You need to identify relevant and high-traffic keywords in your industry. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush can help you discover the best keywords to target for your products. Once you've found your keywords, it's time to incorporate them naturally into your product titles, descriptions, URLs, and meta tags. This optimization will make your Shopify store more visible to search engines and attract potential customers searching for products like yours. Next up, optimize your website speed. A fast-loading website not only improves user experience, but also boosts your search engine ranking. Compress images, use a content delivery network, CDN, and minify CSS and JavaScript files to ensure your Shopify store loads lightning fast. Don't forget about backlinks. Building high-quality backlinks from reputable websites in your industry tells search engines that your Shopify store is trustworthy and authoritative. Reach out to influencers, collaborate on guest posts, and engage in content marketing to earn valuable backlinks. In today's mobile-centric world, optimizing your Shopify store for mobile users is non-negotiable. Ensure your website is responsive and provides a seamless browsing experience across all devices. Mobile optimization is not just about user experience, it's also a crucial ranking factor in search engine algorithms. Last but certainly not least, invest in content creation. Publish blog posts, articles, guides, and videos that address the needs and interests of your target audience. Not only does valuable content attract organic traffic, but it also establishes your Shopify store as an authority in your niche. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.